Welcome back today. It's me, Beto G. I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Aruba trap beat. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified. I'm going to be making Aruba trap beat today. When launching your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor like this on your FL Studio app on your screen. You right click, then you press open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio. So I'm just going to click here and enter my FL Studio app. Then this is my channel rack. I'm going to click on add, then click on citrus to open my citrus traffic. Then I'm going to put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheel to channel 5. After that, I'm going to click on this plugin option, click on presets, then click on warm. I'm going to program my Aruba trap beat using this plugin. I'm going to put my cursor on top of this worm here. Where my cursor is shaking the screen, I will right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. As you can see, this is my piano roll, which I can program my beat from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, right up to 8 to 9. I'll start to program my Aruba trap beat now. As you can see, I've programmed the first to 4 bars pattern of my Aruba trap beat. I'm going to then click on select, which you can see press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and A to highlight it like this, then press Ctrl and B on your keyboard to extend your beat right up to bars number 8. The next step is I'll click on my channel rack here. This is my channel rack here. I'll click on add here, click on bow bars. This is my bow bars, which has not been routed to any channel. So I'll just put my cursor on top of this empty space, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 6, then put my cursor on top of this bow bar like this, right click on my mouse, click on piano roll. I'll start to program my second beat now, like this. After programming my second melody, I'm going to highlight it, press Ctrl and B, like this. The next step is I'll start to program the hi-hat now. On channel 3, I'll right click, then press piano roll. After programming my hi-hat from 1 to 2 bars like this, I'm going to press Ctrl and A, press Ctrl and B, right to bars number 8. The next step is I'll start to program my hi-hat now. This is my hi-hat here. I will right click, then click on piano roll. I'll first of all, at 1, I'll put my cursor, I'll put my snare at 1 here. At the ending of each bar, I'm just putting my snare like this, like this, like this. After that, I'm going to create a bounce. I'm going to add a bounce like this, like this, like this. I'm going to create a bounce like this. I'm going to, then I'll start to program my kick now. I'm going to left click and hold it on top where, if I put my cursor on top of my kick, on the top left on my screen, I'm just going to put my cursor on top of my kick, left click and hold it, left click button. I'll press the left click button and hold it, and then just drag the mouse. Just release it like this on channel 1 on my kick, and then I'll put my cursor here, right click on my mouse, then click on piano roll. Whoosh, this is my piano roll I can use to program my kick. This I'm going to program my kick. I'll use the rows and columns like this. Like this. For new beginners, if you follow my channel, you can know how to program your beats. That's it. Then after that, I'll click on my kick. Click on this boss knob. Then turn the boss knob right up to 76%. And that's okay. 5 and 6 on our mixer. We'll start to mix the beat now. On channel 5, I'll click on slot 1 like this. These are the basics plugin you can use to mix your beat, but you can use and follow my YouTube channel to make your beats. I'm going to put a Fruity Soft clipper. Click on slot 2. Add a Fruity parametric EQ2. Click on slot 3. Add a Fruity limiter. Reduce the slot 4 like this, right down to channel 6% to 6%. Then click on the slot 4 and add a Fruity multiband compressor. Reduce the mix level again on slot 5 and click on slot 5 again. Add a sound womanizer and put it on A. On channel 6, I'll click on slot 1, add a Fruity limiter. On slot 2, I'll click on slot 2, then click on the Fruity Soft clipper. I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, then just turn the mix level to mix level 1%. Click on slot 3, add a sound womanizer. On slot 4, I'll left click and hold it, turn the slot 4 mix level to mix level 2%. Click like this, add a Fruity compressor. And that's okay. 3 and 4, I'm going to turn up my 3, which is my hi-hats. Turn up my 4, which is my snare. I'll click on slot 1 on my snare, add the soft clipper, then just bring it down a little bit to 57%. On channel 3, which is my hi-hats, I'll click on slot 1, just add the Fruity Soft clipper. It's time to swap left and right. You put my cursor here, you see swap left and right, check on your screen. You just put your cursor like this, check on your screen, make sure where they see swap left and right, where you say swap left and right, channel, click like this, make sure you click all like this to swap your beat left and right on your speaker, which is going to be playing and look very good, sounding very good. You put your cursor like this, say reverse polarity, just click and reverse the polarity like this. Reverse the polarity right up to the end. Now, you put your mouse, they say view playlist, click on your view playlist like this. On where they're written part 1, put your cursor on top of this part 1 like this. Right click on your mouse, then click on split by channel, which everything you have programmed has appeared on the top left corner of your FL Studio like this. Then click on draw, click on your kick like this, click back in your playlist, click on your hi-hats, click back in your playlist, click on your snare, click back to your playlist, click on your first melody which is warm, click back to your playlist, click on your bars, then click into your playlist. After that, highlight it, which can press Ctrl and A to highlight it, then press Ctrl and B again to extend your beat. Now I'm extending my beat. Now. I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. After that, I'm going to highlight it and press Ctrl and B again to extend my beat right up to 79. I'm extending my beat. Now. I'll click on warm. I'll first of all click on draw, then click on warm, then extend my outro. This is my outro. I'll click on my bull bars and click here. I'm extending my outro now. After that, I'll remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to create a different bounce when the beat reaches here, and here at 41 to 45, here like this. From 65 to 69, when the beat reaches here, it creates a different bounce, and this is my outro, my intro. Now, let's go back to 5 and 6, 3 and 4. Now we are going to create an automation to control the beat automatically from 3, which is the hi-hat, 4, which is the snare. So 3, we are going to put our cursor on top of this 3, right click, then click create automation clip on channel 4. We'll put our cursor like this on top of channel 4, right click, then click create automation clip. Now let's check the beat. This is the automation clip. Now we are going to spice up the beat again. I'm going to click on the hi-hat at the ending point of my intro. We are going to put the hi-hat here again. Put a hi-hat here. Put an hi-hat here to create something when the beat wants to like go straight from all of the instrument. It's going to make you know it's getting right into the instrument. That's it. From the outro, we are going to create a signal here. When the beat reaches a snare, you know it's getting finished. Use the outro. Now let's listen to the Aruba trap beat from the start to the end. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in another video, how to make trap beats. Don't forget to subscribe and to help yourself, so anytime I drop my new videos you'll get notified. Now let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Aruba trap beat. See you tomorrow in another video. Goodbye. Thank you so much. But don't forget to subscribe and help yourself, so that anytime I drop my new videos you'll get notified. Bye. See you tomorrow.